Okay, my uncle wanted some scallion pancakes, so we're gonna make some quick scallion pancakes. Let me wash my hands. You know how to make scallion pancakes, Papa?
No.
Shit.
我唔識整Scallion Pancakes。
我
我唔識整。
So scallion pancakes, really easy. You can make it at home. I'm using some good flour right here. So we're from New York. We're using farmer's ground flour, fresh stone ground flour. You don't have to use this, but I like to support local when I can, you know. So the recipe is as follows: 2 cups of flour to 1 part of hot water. Why do you use hot water? Because this is a Chinese bread technique, and the hot water disrupts gluten formation, so it's not so chewy. It's going to be more flaky, just like a good scallion pancake is. All right. This is like practically whole wheat flour. Step down, 1 cup, 2 cups. Let's double the recipe.
Don't double it.
Shit. Okay, 3 cups. 3 cups flour, and then we'll do 1.5 cups of water.
Let's get it.
唔關你事，切飲滾水。點解中國人中意飲滾水
Because make you feel stomach better, not that cold.
Roughly 1.5 cups of hot water.
Not hot water, boiling water.
Yeah, boiling water. That's 1, and then just eyeball this 2.
Yeah.
Don't put your hands in here because it's gonna be hot. So I'm gonna mix it around with chopsticks. Now it's coming together. You see, Papa? You can learn how to make this too.
I don't.
The hot water makes it not so chewy. Like the loaf how chewy. This is not chewy, che.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's how they say.
Flaky.
都要俾你個 knead.
Che.
You need to knead it.
It's hot.
唔會呢個啦。
No, you gotta knead it for like 5 minutes.
And cover it, right?
Yeah. Like this, push it down, then take the other way, push it down, push it
使
down.
唔使俾啲鹽落去啊？
Yeah, 可以.
嚇
可以, or we could sprinkle the yam on. Look, this is clean and clean.
？Clean 咗㗎啦。
唔使加好多粉, not wait till later. Che.
A little bit.
唔使而家, che. See, now it's better on the board. You're right. Yeah, now you can see me knead it.
Up and
And
down.
down.
係啦，
And down.
係啦。嗱，抌啲鹽落去
You can
啦。
feel it's warm.
抌啲鹽落去嘛？幾時加油啊？
When you roll it, okay. I like making bread because it's fun and it's a labor of love, and you do it with your hands. And you see it's all incorporated with the water, and it's one uniform dough, and it's kind of sticky. That's when I'm gonna stop. So now I'm gonna put it in the bowl like this and let it rest for like, I don't know, 10 minutes.
嚟，俾把布
Yeah,
冚
cover it. That's it. My uncle's like, can you make scallion pancakes? I was like, Mamma mia! And Papa was like, Che, I don't want to make scallion pancakes. But I was like, I'll make it.
I don't know how.
You know how.
I don't. I never make it. I tell you the truth.
Yeah, your money, Oxy.
The stakes are sky high. Ice Airport, Alaska. New season premieres Sunday.
You get this, put this here, roll it out. Yeah, roll it out like this. You can leave the TV on, I don't care. It's better than Papa screaming. Shit.
切
Shit.
切，
Shit.
你又話整大個嘅咧？整咁薄嘅？
This is the right way now. Yeah. Turn it around like this.
OK， 唔好咁薄啦，夠啦，揼啲油落去，然之後先揼啲葱落去，再捲埋佢啊嘛，夠啦。
No.
好咪咬頸鬼。
Need Team 6 Jing, right? Jimayao is Mayao, hi.
俾個手 a little bit more。
Spread it out.
叫你用 little bit more 啦，你又唔聽人講，真係咬頸。
Shit. Shit. You said you were gonna put olive oil. Say it on gang. Hey.
我點知你有乜鬼嘢油啊？
Shit. Salt. And the scallion.
整實佢先。
Hey. Shit. You wanna be in the camera?
No.
Shit. Roll it up like a cinnamon bun.
Yes.
See? Like this. See? Roll it up like this, like a snake. And then do this. See? Gamyang. Gamyang.
Tuck the end on the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
And roll it again.
Okay, put that there. Squeeze it together. Okay, push it down. Ay. Very gentle now.
好唔大力。
攞咗個 pan， 切
我而家咪我有個 pan 喺度興緊嘢俾你咯，
切。
得啦。
Okay, done up. There's the scallion pancake. Go hold them. When it's too big, it's hard to flip.
係啊，呢個又好啊，係啊，
She never tells me what she's doing. I just gotta guess. Che.
1, 2, 3。
Scallion pancakes stink this time, Bill. Oh well. There's no oil. The scallion pancakes came out bad. I think it's because the flour that I use is not really good for this. When I made like pizza dough and also like cinnamon buns with this flour, it didn't really hold together. So maybe it's the flour. Maybe I didn't, Popo says I didn't knead it correctly, right?
那你這個 make a 2 day， 呢個是比這個好啲。
Chit.